The key concept in any web API project is HTTP. So before learning more about web API, let's focus what is the HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is used for the communication in between client and the web server. Now what does it mean by the client and the web server? Suppose you have a browser and you type something in the URL and you press enter button. Then a request goes to a particular server. This server is called as web server. Whatever data you are sending from this browser to the server, that is called a request, and whatever data we are getting from this server to the browser, that is called as response. And this is how the browser and web server communicate to each other in form of request and response. This type of communication is possible only by using the HTTP protocol. Now the browser is not the only client. For example, you are using a mobile application, then your mobile is a client. If you are using some other applications like the Postman, Swagger, etc., then all these are your client, and from these clients you are sending some data to the server and you are getting some data from the server to your client application. So this is how the communication between client and server works by using the HTTP protocol. So what is HTTP? As per the Wikipedia, the HTTP is an application layer protocol for distributed collaborative hypermedia information system. What does it mean by distributed? It means the client and server structure is always a distributed application. You do not know where is your server, but you can always access that server only by using your browser. Your browser is at some other place and your server is at some other place. Again, for the large project, your server is also distributed at multiple places. So based on your region, you will get the data from the nearest server. And this is how the distributed communication works. And this communication is possible only by using the HTTP protocol. HTTP is the foundation of data communication for the WWW, that is World Wide Web, where hypertext documents include hyperlinks to other resources that the user can easily access, for example, by a mouse click or by tapping the screen in a web browser. Whenever you will click on a link or you will tap anywhere on your browser, then it will send a request and the communication takes place only by using the HTTP.